Hello all, I am Jaitrie Paul, a student of Sheikh Anandram Joypuria College, currently pursuing BSc in Food and Nutrition final year. On the celebration of National Nutrition Month, I have participated in the recipe contest. So today I am gonna cook Arrabiata pasta. It's a world favorite. Arrabiata is an Italian word which means angry. Angry cause chili flakes or fresh red chilies. For making this, I need these ingredients: pasta, olive oil, chili flakes, sugar, tomato, cheese, garlic and salt. First we need to blanch the tomatoes. For that, boil water. Blanching a tomato means that I give a little cut on the backside of the tomato, putting them in boiling water for 10 to 15 seconds, taking them out and putting them in chill water. What it does, it loosens the skin and I can easily peel the tomato. I have some chill water, getting the chill water ready. Now I'm gonna retain this water cause I need to boil the pasta. So let it boil. In the meantime, let's just peel away the tomatoes. Now is the time to chop them. Also I'll deseed it. I proceed to make Arrabiata sauce. Heat a pan, add good quantity of olive oil. I have got some garlic, so just crush them, smash them and then just roughly chop them. Adding little sugar. Arrabiata is tomatoes, chilies, garlic, olive oil. All of the garlic at once into the pan. Be careful not to burn the garlic, lightly cook it. Keep chili flakes ready. Let the tomatoes cook. In the meantime, I boil the pasta. In goes the pasta, some olive oil and a generous pinch of salt. Now pasta by the clock 10 minutes. Drain it, put straight into the sauce. Look at all the flavor: garlic, tomato, chili. Some salt for the Arrabiata sauce. I need to make sure that the pasta is not over saucy. That's not how Italians eat. After turning off the heat, grate nice cheese. Beautiful, spicy, delicious Arrabiata is done. Add more cheese and it's perfect.